So I wanted to answer the question, or ask a question rather. Does money satisfy? So does having money satisfy? So I want to tell you a story about a guy that I know, and he makes a lot of money, right? And but his primary emotions are frustrated and ticked off, and stressed out, overwhelmed. And if you focus, whatever you focus on, that's gonna be what you get in life. You know what I mean? And so if you focus on problems while you don't have money, I promise you, when you have money, you're gonna focus on different problems. I promise you. Whether that's before, when you lacked money, you focused on obviously not having money or whatever, not being able to pay for things. But when you have money, if you don't change your focus, if you don't change anything, then you're still going to be not happy with money. I promise you that. And just believe me when I say that. And not that I don't want to have money. I definitely do. I want to have freedom. I want to be able to help people the way I want. I want to contribute the way I want. But I realize that that's not the pathway to happiness. And I think a few of you can realize that. If a few of you can realize that, it would be awesome. And know that only Jesus satisfies. This only opening up to him and having a relationship with him, that's what's going to give you that what you're longing for is Jesus. And money, yes, money can allow you to do things and all that, but it's not going to truly fulfill you. So thank you so much, and subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. God bless. Have a great rest of your day.